Hello everyone, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Again, I'm Ali. Today we are going to Persian restaurant and Persian market. I'm gonna test a couple Persian dishes. I'm gonna test the kebab, gyro, also they have a rice. I'm gonna tell you how does it taste. Please stay with us at the end of this video and subscribe our channel, share with your friends, family. Oh, they are halal Persian food, bread, Afghan bread, yeah?
Yes.
Awesome. How do you like this bread? You like too much?
Yeah.
Great, awesome. How many minutes to the bread is ready?
15 minutes.
15 minutes?
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay. Could you make a bread for me here? Awesome. This is the korma sabzi.
Persian food.
Okay.
Ash
Reshte. Oh my God! Very famous dishes and Iranian dishes. Ash Reshte. Awesome.
We have a korma sabzi, peynir, ash reshte, cutlet, everything.
Awesome. Yeah. I wish to come early here to see how they are cooking ash reshte. Guys, they also have a halal meat, chicken, beef, ground beef, everything here. They are see this halal certified. Everything is halal, fresh meat. Agha Saeed is here. How are you, Agha Saeed?
Oh, hi, how are you?
All right.
Hiding, man.
The Agha Saeed is the manager of this store, guys.
I'm seeing you here when you're hungry.
Agha Saeed, how long you guys working here?
How many hours?
How long you working?
Oh, how long is for? It's a decade, man.
Oh, decade.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Yeah,
It's,
okay.
because the food and the environment and everything, keep me for so long here.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're grateful for the environment here.
Yeah.
It's it's like home away from home. You know?
Okay.
So everything here is so fresh and so delicious, so tasty.
Okay.
And I hope whoever watching us,
Yeah. Awesome.
enjoying the food that when they
Thank
see
you.
it
Thanks
and they
for
come over and see.
Thanks for great hospitality. Thanks,
Yeah,
man.
no problem.
It's a
Yeah, we're
great
open
place. Amazing. Everything is. If you guys want to buy shopping here and also food is here. Everything's halal food, clean. The kitchen is very clean, especially very good manager here.
Thank you for stop by. I hope whoever seeing this video enjoying the video and really enjoy the food when they come here.
Awesome, awesome. Thank
And
you.
We do take the order over the phone.
Oh, okay.
And they could come over as soon as this Corona thing over.
Inshallah, okay.
Inshallah, so pretty soon we're gonna open the. This is actually the chicken that we're cutting them and make them ready for marination.
Okay.
So this is all halal chicken, zabiha halal, and hope everybody enjoy it.
Okay, okay, awesome. Thanks
All
for
right,
your time,
okay,
Said
no
brother.
problem.
Thank you.
Okay, brother.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Salam alaikum.
All of ashrishte for me, please.
Yes.
A little bit. I want to test it. I really like it. Okay. How you doing, brother?
Hello, man. How you doing?
Okay. Cool. Awesome.
Yeah, this pot.
Okay.
We usually put this bread on it,
Okay.
the lavash bread.
Okay.
Here, we put the bread
Okay.
under the
Okay.
rice to
Under
make
the rice.
to
Okay.
make tadik.
Tadik, yeah?
Yeah, to make
Okay.
tadik.
Okay.
And after that, we leave it. We leave it in the oven for like 25-30 minutes.
25 seconds to make halal, yeah?
Yeah, it's
White rice, yeah. Awesome, awesome. Great. Wow.
It's called the shawarma sauce.
Shawarma sauce, yeah?
Yeah.
Wow, great decoration. Wow. This is saffron, yeah? The saffron rice. Awesome. So, time. Outside the parking lot, the Halal guys was so friendly. The food is really delicious. I definitely recommend you guys to come eat the food here and shopping. And the food is cost zero. They are not ask money. They are not accept my money. The Halal friendly, very pure pure Persian food. I definitely recommend you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for Sahara Market, for management, owner. They are really appreciated for everything. Thank you so much.